Hi guys, my name is Jessica Espinal. I'm from New York City. I currently reside in North Carolina. I moved here about a year ago because my husband joined the Army. So my field placement is at a substance use clinic. It's called Carolina Treatment Center of Fayetteville. So it focuses on opiate use. So everything from heroin to Percocets to Opanas. So they provide counseling services to their clients and medication assistant treatment, which includes methadone, Subutex, Suboxone, Vivitrol for patients who have been on, painkillers or who have been using heroin for a prolonged period of time. It has to be more than a year. So the reason I chose medical social work is because eventually I do want to concentrate myself in the medical field of like public health or working in like a inpatient or an outpatient clinic or of a hospital setting. I've always been interested in working side by side with nurses and doctors. Currently at the field placement where I am, they do work closely with the medical staff because they have 5 nurses and 2 doctors on duty. So that's definitely the reason I chose the medical social work this class that I did. And so the next question. So what I'm planning to take away, it's pretty much on like what I want to know what to expect before I'm working with patients who might be terminally ill or might have, been dealing with like catastrophic disabilities or, need medication adherence. So I really want to take away a lot more than just learning. I want to be more hands-on. So the reason I took this class is also just to educate myself to see if this is really what I want to do and if it's something that I want to pursue for my future. So I hope to learn a lot from this class and from all of you guys. Thank you. Bye.